Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Guys, we have Jamaica in the house. We have Jamaica in the house. We have a lot of Jamaican stuff in the house. Guess what? I'm never telling her. Grizzly go Jamaica and come back. Babe, how you feel to go yard and come back?
Quick.
You feel quick to go yard and come back? Or you feel to go yard and come back?
Tell the people them to just do it quick.
I want to go Jamaica, Grizzly.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go Jamaica.
I left for 2 days ago.
You come back already?
Nothing else I did.
Your money tall, Grizzly. Eh? You wish you did go yard and come back, don't you, be?
I wish.
Guys, so come to be show the Jamaican stuff we have Jamaica in the house. We got white rum.
Couple of them.
White rum. Grizzly favorite drink, this you know.
Until they start turning a sugar.
Grizzly favorite drink. Magnum. What else we got, babe?
See there?
Come now to show the party on me a video. We got cheese patty.
Back sent to people like my test.
Hey, show the people the party. But good cheese patty. Right now we're gonna throw it in the microwave right now. Look here. If me not wash my belly for nothing else, me wash my belly for the patty. It's like because you know what, I Grizzly love patty more than me, you know. But the patty, been craving the patty.
Franks.
Aki Franks? Patty. Johnny to the buy Franks? But Kian to show the Aki. We get Franks. I don't know Franks. We get Kian, more one Kian B. Give me one Kian right now, mash down one Kian. Me need to wash my hand. We have a whole heap more Jamaican stuff we get. We're gonna show no a lot. So the fridge stock. I need to go stock more. For sure. I want Aki and saltfish. Christmas morning. Your ear B? Your ear B? Alright. Guys, it feels good to it feel good for me having some home stuff for just bring back little memory. I'm gonna wash my hand right now because I want the patty and I want one piece of cane. Piece of something for me. The jawbone. B, where is? Should you not show up the Jamaicans? Of course the suitcase full of one roll of Jamaicans. No, I did food sitting them in there.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. No clothes, man. There'll be a food.
Oh, yeah.
What on, man? Let me cut out the video. Something I tell you.
Oh.
Wait, me, no unpack the suitcase yet. The man guy and the man remember one I can't find yard. That I go say. Hold on, guys. What's that?
So we can't show you everything.
Of course. Guys, babe bust the suitcase. Cut the bread mash up.
Bread have to squeeze up each other on plane.
Alright, one by one, B. Roll up. So we get ginger mint tea, peppermint, turmeric tea. This came, but this I don't eat this donut. But it's named Prestige Donut. If you like Prestige Donut, then this would be one of your favorite stuff. But babe, how you feel about it? Feel like a good old Prestige for a long time?
Reason why not taste away that car, maybe you have to go in the fridge or
Alright, oh.
But if you eat it fresh, to me, it tastes good.
It tastes good. Okay. Alright. What is there? Oh, yeah. My cock soup them with my no MSG. What that? Pimento. Bun. Still show the people them the vanilla. Show the people them the Bigfoot. Shirley biscuit. Bigfoot. What that?
BPH.
BPH. DPH. Of course, the best curry. No curry no compared to this a curry here. I don't know what you are say about that. What me I say. What is eucalyptus oil? No. No, peppermint. This is peppermint. You know, so me think that's a Viagra. It's like a subtract bag. This is not. It's iron and vitamin. Good vanilla lasco, of course. But I don't know. Every time we go to the Caribbean store, we find every lasco except vanilla lasco. So we had to purchase not the normal peppermint. What's the one name? Peanuts. Those are for porridge. What that name again, babe?
No, this is something. This is sauce.
Sauce of leaf, the one here? Oh, you know, it's smelly and tell the difference.
And this is cinnamon.
And this is cinnamon and smelly?
You will not make a back tie up.
So, oh, you know, so this is sauce up.
That's the way I look.
You know, when man mad at country, you know, a country me born, but my country lifestyle is more like uptown lifestyle. Whenever you say over them there. What is it? No, that. You know, the bread, HTB brown bread. HTB white bread. Where's the day? The good old bearded rag them. You know, yeah, wash your back, you can. Sure. Wash your back, me. Show it in the bag. Yeah, that's what you have to flip it. Just like that. Just like that. Is that everything? And that's everything, people. Just a little piece of yard. Not too much of yard, but a little something from yard. Alright, guys. What was one of the patties for me now? You know what, man? Are your favorite? That you know, remember, every time you come from work, you know, you always want to tap and buy a patty, you know. So how you hesitate to eat up the patty? Eh? Come on!
We just don't want it done. Now you want done here,
Me no,
just come.
me no want done
You
it.
don't want it done.
It just comes from me no want,
Listen, we are share one.
What?
Yeah. Me no want it done.
Why she want fish for me or joke at me?
No joke. One.
Me want a patty for myself. People, me a bust a cane right now. Bust a gas. Cane cool and nice. People, look how me tell babe say me no want the patty from the microwave. Me want the patty from the air fryer. We bring up the crunch.
People, before now, you never use the microwave. Tell me if I lie.
Me remember.
Just what? You go here. Before this, look and see if I know. Microwave in this there.
Me can't remember. I still got beef patty.
It's still there.
Oh.
I beef in there.
But me never realize. Me don't like my patty wet so. I'm far. You want me to go? You want me to be? Alright, you eat the one, you want me to get one? No. Me don't want the patty done.
All far, all the time. Stay longer.
You don't really, if you put in the air fryer, that'll give you back the crunch, you know too. But be, yeah, but you want a patty kind of cheese and for me.
Me could find fish here.
Where? Oh, no! Wait! Oh, you got your little cheese in it.
Me find more cheese.
No!
But me see it.
Patty hot still.
If the patty no hot, no good.
Patty nice. This tastes like patty, even though if it go in the air fryer, it would be excellent. Remember, if you have something in there used to it, I say though, remember some baby. Too excited. Too excited. Okay.
Oh Lord.
I guess people that say the only thing will what I have to tap off if you say I really this is a yard thing and we don't have that is what Risa is what?
What?
The food what the rest are missing. We have that but yeah the food the rest are missing.
Oxtail.
KFC.
Oh.
Oxtail is a period.
No, but that's why I say oxtail. But me no know. This about come out of this going on clear back or something. I can't hold that freezer if it's a food.
I freezer.
It's a keep frozen.
What you come on? We can't zip up, but we can't hold it.
Oh yeah. I don't know for general.
I didn't want one patty for myself. A patty a nice one. I'm not telling you patty nice. Patty nice, patty nice. The patty don't taste like a patty we eat one year. Not sure.
Far from it.
Real Jamaican patty this. Real Jamaican. Think how many? 2 or so. A 2 box we carry one. And same size.
Same type of 2. Not even one particular one in that one that was bigger.
No, it's smaller.
Same size.
Babe, I try to find zip up bag for look at another thing the bag down there then. The bag we'll get from the store. See, can work. Can work too. Babe, I make it work. One you put in there?
Patty have to comfortable.
Patty have to comfortable? What? Patty have to comfortable, baby? No, sir. God. So it feels so good. Let me cane. Let me eat cane. Where's my cane? Cane. Hey, this is the best cane when you cane. Well, cool. Well, best to me. You know, everybody have their different option. But this is nice, man. Nice. Babe, really over here, I put the patty them in a one Ziploc bag, you know?
Patty have to comfortable because they're going to be eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 7 patty that we just had one. Watch him. Go on like, you know. And when me I tell him, say, make we get the patty. Oh, we not forget patty, you know. Patty not really necessary. Eh? And here I tell me, saying that we are eating half when we eat the patty. What a something. Eh? We never seen nothing like this yet.
Wait and quick for that. Freezer are powerful.
Oh, what happened to them? Oh, people might get one more cane and that's it for the night. That's it for the night. Cause they can't. How long can they stay? Not too long, right? Guys, we can't open or don't open. That term in there now. I'm not sure.
Pull in control the car over now.
So babe, I've been through here. Soak up. What gear is soak? That's what now, bro?
Oh yeah. Rum to seal.
Seal. Put on one. What gear is that soak now, babe?
Back your rum, man. No, I just come out there.
It's strong enough? Babe, have this as soak about 4 days now, babe? About 4 days now. And trust me, it'll give the same result as I'm telling you. With the from last year. Trust me. So I'm a look like the Ray and him and nephew, right? Ray and his nephew in gear. Look for it. Can you get that drunk off the whole place? Huh? I drink I think a whole face.
I wish we can keep on in back there.
So keep on.
The prune suck up.
Everything.
When they're fat.
So you got bake tomorrow, right?
It's maybe.
Okay. Someone did tell us about the allspice as the pimento. We read it up and it say a pimento, but it also say it is also used as some like that they use as cinnamon, refer to cinnamon. I don't know.
I know me make it, but when me smell it, pimento.
So what? Where can we get? I wanna know. What would I know? Well,
listen, use what me have, and me I do it.
And then no, guys. So, anyways, people, we just had that joy in the house for the night. I wanted to share it with you guys. Just having a treat, a little touch of yard. Feels good to have a little touch of yard. Feels very good. I can't wait for mash down my ackee. I can't wait for mash down my ackee because I know I've been talking about the tin ackee, and if I'm not go to Walmart At Walmart have the tinaki for $9 and the farmers market store, Caribbean store, have it for $15. A good thing never rush to buy it. So Walmart has it for $9. So I go buy a Walmart for $9 and put it down for when them they're done. Cause Walmart seem to really have it very often. So yeah, but I can't wait for much done my ackee. I wish me to have ackee and breadfruit. Breadfruit still the soup the Caribbean store, but I have to deal with it. Can't bother with that. Cause I was wondering, I was asking baby if breadfruit can do it in the oven. It can be done in the oven?
And I have all for people to
Okay.
you know, I go to do light wood fires and then just try now.
But they did the Caribbean and them that talk about so then do it.
All for people do it. And I hope them do it.
Pan the stove top. But we pan the stove top with this as sensor where you go off every second no make no sense.
You cannot do it on the
Stove top. Oh.
Always now. We got Jamaica in it now.
It can't go around to it. It can't go around to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna say good night for tonight. In a better mood, in a better vibe.
Big up on yourself, huh? And go over to your boss channel, go subscribe, see? Yeah man, Grizz Life TV, you don't know.
Yep.
Go subscribe to your channel and support the movement. Some people from this channel actually go over there, go subscribe, big up on yourself. Thank you. I don't know if thanks will come from my channel as well, so big up on yourself. Keep safe. Remember, do what you love. Remember, nobody tell you what to do.
Can I take a tagline, sir?
Yeah man, do what you love. Don't make nobody tell you what to do.
Tell me about your tagline there before.
Okay, now watch my video.
I'll come up with you. I will wait the video them.
Eh? No me.
Since when?
Okay.
Move man. Alright people. This flowers, maybe been telling babes that this flowers probably I'm gonna start buying flowers for you right this one.
For what?
I don't know. I got this flower as a gift. It just enhances the entire culture top. But I don't know, but like it. Anyways, gonna end the vlog tonight. I'm so happy with everything when we get from y'all. Let's cheer me up. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, bye. Move fire. Yeah, move fire. Why? Sure. Because we could have catch what I do a while ago. Alright, people, later.